Being a dietitian, I'm often asked by my clients, how do I keep myself so maintained and fit even after having a baby? They ask me for customized diet plans. I design customized diet plans for them. But it is so important to understand that along with a good diet, you need to focus on your good lifestyle and you need to monitor your physical activities. You can do that very easily with the help of a smartwatch. Smartwatches are one of the best inventions of today's world, but because most of them are pretty expensive and not everybody can afford it, so we don't see many people using it. A friend of mine told me about this smartwatch and I got it as an experiment because it was super affordable. But when I saw it, I am amazed to see it has all the latest features as any expensive smartwatch and it can help me monitor my physical activities. I can see how many steps I have taken in a day. It will notify me when I'm going to get my periods. It monitors my heart rate as well as my blood pressure. There is a built-in AI voice. Plus, if you're bored, you can play a game as well. Amazing. And it has plenty of other features as well. So to everybody who wants to get a good smartwatch to keep a check on their health status, I would suggest you to buy this one as it's super affordable. It has all the latest features and it is good